Hello champions, welcome to my channel CBSE Science with Astha. So I know what exactly you are feeling right now. प्रेशर फील कर रहे हो, डर लग रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है टाइम बहुत कम है, कंफ्यूज हो क्या पढ़ें, कैसे पढ़ें, सिलेबस कैसे फिनिश करें. तो चलो इसमें थोड़ी सी हेल्प करते हैं तुम्हारी. चैंपियंस, एक बात हमेशा याद रखना, बोर्ड में मार्क्स सिर्फ पढ़ने से नहीं आते हैं, सही लिखने से आते हैं. तो चलो सीखते हैं 5 मार्क क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स प्रिसाइजली एक्यूरेटली विद करेक्ट कीवर्ड्स कैसे लिखते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द सीरीज इज a metal nitrate A on heating gives yellowish brown colored metal oxide along with brown gas B and a colorless gas C. Aqueous solution of A on reaction with potassium iodide forms a yellow precipitate of compound D. Identify A, B, C and D. Also identify the types of both the reactions. Metal present in A is used in alloy which is used for soldering purposes. So champions, first of all you have to understand the question. Secondly, just write down the precise answer. प्रिसाइज एज इन जितना पूछा गया है उतना आप आंसर लिखेंगे, आपको स्टोरीज नहीं लिखनी है. सो यहाँ पर एक मेटल नाइट्रेट की बात कर रहे हैं. अब वो मेटल क्या है उसका एक इंडिकेशन इन्होंने दिया है. मेटल प्रेजेंट इन ए इज यूज्ड इन अलॉय विच इज यूज्ड फॉर सोल्डरिंग पर्पसेस. नाउ सोल्डरिंग पर्पसेस में जो मेटल हम यूज करते हैं वो होता है लेड. दैट मीन्स दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट lead nitrate. So first of all you have to write down the series, like what series they are talking about. Okay, so metal nitrate A on heating, that means A को आप heat कर रहे हो, so just on an arrow write down heat. And what A is your metal nitrate. Okay, on heating gives yellowish brown colored metal oxide, so it is giving a metal oxide which is yellowish brown in color. Okay, along with brown gas B. So B is a brown colored gas and a colorless gas C. This is a colorless gas. So now you can identify what these A, B and C are. So metal nitrate A means it is lead nitrate which is PbNO3 whole twice. So if you heat PbNO3 whole twice, you will get oxide of the same metal. That means you will get lead oxide which is PbO, and lead oxide is yellowish in color. Then when you heat lead oxide, then there is an evolution of nitrogen dioxide gas. This is the gas which comes out in the form of brown fumes. In this reaction, the colorless gas is oxygen. So now you have got to know that what is A, what is B and what is C. Now further what the question is saying, aqueous solution of A. अब मुझे पता चल गया कि A क्या है. So A means PbNO3 whole twice. इसका aqueous solution है. You are dissolving it in water on reaction with potassium iodide. You are reacting it with potassium iodide. So obviously it is a double displacement reaction. Double displacement as in lead will combine with iodine and nitrate will combine with potassium. So you will get lead iodide along with potassium nitrate. Now this lead iodide is a yellow color precipitate because it is not soluble in water. So iodide forms a yellow precipitate of compound D. That means this lead iodide is your compound number D. Identify A, B, C and D. So you have got to know A is lead nitrate, B is nitrogen dioxide, C is oxygen gas and D is lead iodide. Also identify the type of both the reaction. So as you can see in the first one, there is only one reactant. You are heating it and it is converting it into 3 compounds, 3 products. That means it is thermal decomposition reaction. If I talk about the second reaction, lead nitrate plus potassium iodide, it is a double displacement and because precipitate form ho raha hai, so it is precipitation reaction also. So you will write this is double displacement or precipitation reaction. It was that simple. Also identify, okay, metal, they are not asking to write down the reactions. As you can see in the entire question, they are not asking that write down these 2 reactions properly. So you do not need to write. You just need to specify what is A, B, C, D and the type of reactions. So only writing this much will give you 5 marks. Okay, to identify A, B, C, D and to write down the types of reaction. This is how you are supposed to write your answer. If you want to make it more clear, then by the end you can summarize that A is PbNO3 whole twice, B is NO2, C is O2 and D is PbI2. So daily I will upload videos of these 5 mark questions along with their answer like how you can write the answers precisely, that to not writing them in a paragraph, that 5 mark question तो बहुत बड़ा आंसर लिखना है, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Just write what the question is asking. Just be precise with your answer and you will get the full marks for it. Just subscribe to the channel so that you can get the notification for the upcoming new video.